Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to verify Discord account on your PC or laptop. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Discord application. As you can see at the top, there's a message saying please check your email to verify your account. So just click on the send email and then click on OK. Now go to your email and then refresh your inbox. And right here, you just have to click on the message from the Discord and then click on the attachment or view their message. Now click on the verify email. Okay, and then just click on the continue to Discord option. So right here. And when you go to your Discord, as you can see, the message is no longer there. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.